Are OEM toners better than remanufactured cartridges? Before we answer this question, let's go over what is a remanufactured cartridge. By definition, it is an empty OEM cartridge that's undergone a third-party manufacturer's remanufacturing process where the worn-out parts are replaced, reassembled, and refilled with new toner powder so as to look like an original OEM product. Most of these remanufacturing companies will tell you that they put each of these cartridges through an extensive cleaning and testing process to ensure these cartridges work just as good as a brand new OEM toner. But do they really? To be honest, we don't sell remanufactured cartridges here. We've only dealt with compatibles and OEM toners. Not because we don't like them or that they're unreliable, but the way I like to put it is remanufactured cartridges are like the jack of all trades. They're good at many things, but they're not the best at one particular thing, like an OEM toner, which offers exceptional quality and reliability, or a compatible cartridge, which offers extreme savings off printing costs. Now, what do I mean when I say remanufactured cartridges are the jack of all trades? Well, it's because they kind of hit all the check marks. If you're trying to save on printing costs and don't want to pay as much as an OEM toner, then remanufactured are the way to go. If you want the same exceptional quality you would expect from an OEM toner, remanufactured might also be the way to go, depending on the brand, because not all brands are equal. So in order to make sure you get the correct remanufactured product, please be sure to read the reviews online and make sure that manufacturer is reputable. And if you guys have any other questions related to ink and toner, feel free to leave it in the comments below.
Yeah.